Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can increase your video's volume in CapCut Apps. So if you have a lower sound video, you can increase the volume using CapCut easily. So tap on your project, select your video you like to edit, and for example, so you can see, to increase the volume you can click on the clip, select volume, and just swipe to the right to increase, check mark. You can listen, set this original, and this is the increase. Yeah, so basically I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.